In the last class I have discussed about shear force and bending moment. Yesterday you have known about the types of beam and types of loading. Now I am discussing about shear force and bending moment. First, shear force. Shear force. So what is shear force? Shear force, the definition is the shear force at the cross section of a beam is defined as the unbalanced vertical force to the right or left of the section. So shear force, the short form of shear force is SF. So now I am discussing about the definition of the shear force. The shear force at the cross section of a beam. So at first we are taking a beam. Okay. So yesterday I have discussed that there are a system of forces acting on a beam. Okay. So if at a portion we take a cross section of the beam, then the right or left section of the portion will be unbalanced because the forces are acting towards the total length of the beam. So if we take a cross section of the beam, then the right or left portion of the beam must be unbalanced. If I consider that portion right to the right of the cross section, this is the cross section. So this portion, the resultant forces of this portion will be unbalanced because the total forces of the total length of the beam is keeping the beam in equilibrium condition. Okay. So therefore if I consider a cross section, then the right portion or left portion of the beam will be unbalanced. So the shear force at the cross section of beam is defined as the unbalanced vertical force. All the forces are vertical. Okay. So the shear force at the cross section of a beam is defined as the unbalanced vertical force to the right or left section. Therefore, the unbalanced vertical force, this portion, the vertical forces of this portion or the vertical force of this portion about the right or left of the cross. This is the cross section. X dash I may call. So the unbalanced vertical forces to the right or left portion of the cross section is called shear force. Short form is F. In this case, if suppose there is support. So for calculating the shear force, we also consider the reaction of this support. Here R. R is the reaction force. So the reaction forces in the support. So for calculating the shear force, we also consider the reaction as well as the unbalanced forces. The total, therefore, actually, shear force is the total, the summation of all the forces, vertical force, and their reactions equally called shear force. Okay. Now, next, I am going to bending moment. Bending moment, short form is BM. So, I have discussed that shear force is the unbalanced vertical forces. Bending moment is the bending moment at the cross section of the beam. Bending moment is similarly taken at the cross section of a beam. So bending moment at the cross section of a beam is defined as the algebraic sum of the moments of all the forces to the right or left of the cross section. Okay, this is the beam. This is support. This is the support reaction. So this is one cross section. So the bending moment at the cross section of the beam is defined as the algebraic sum of all the moments. So we have known the topic moment. Moment is very important term. In EMEC we have known the topic moment. Moment is the multiplication of distance and force and distance of from a point. So in this case, all the forces have a moment. This if there is a force, this is a force. So from the cross section, if the distance from this force is x1, this force distance of this force from the cross section is x2, then this force is f1 f2, then the moment of the first force will be f1 x1 and the moment of the second force will be f2 x2. So the bending moment will be called as bending moment as the cross section of beam. Any cross section of the beam is defined as the algebraic sum of the moments of the forces. Algebraic sum of the moment. This is the moment of first force. This is moment of second force. Similarly, if the distance of reaction from the cross section is x3, then the moment of r or reaction is r x3. So actually the moment of the right of the cross section will be as the algebraic sum of the moments of all the forces. Therefore this will be f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus r x3, this type. So actually the moment of right of or the moment of all the forces, the summation of moment of all the forces to the right or left of the cross section of beam will be called as bending moment. Clear, everybody? Okay, next I am going to the sign convention of shear force and bending moment. What will be the sign when the shear force will be positive or negative, and when the shear force will when the bending moment will be positive or negative? I am now discussing.